What if I told you that creating puzzle books could become your next real source of passive income on Amazon? I'm not talking about needing years of experience as a designer or even being a professional puzzle maker. The truth is, with the right tools and strategies, anyone can create puzzle books and start selling them worldwide on Amazon KDP. Now, you might be wondering, why do puzzle books sell so well? Do I need to be a creative genius to design them? And how do I actually stand out in a crowded marketplace? In this video, I'm going to answer all of those questions step by step. By the end of today's video, you'll know exactly how to create your own puzzle book from scratch, publish it on Amazon KDP, and position it so it has the best chance of getting sales. Oh, and before we dive in, I have a strategy of advertisement for you to get more sales on your Amazon ACX account. If you want to get more sales on your account, reach out to me on WhatsApp using the link in the description. So let's jump right in and explore why puzzle books are one of the smartest low-content niches on Amazon today. Puzzle books are one of those timeless products that never go out of style. Think about it. Families buy them for road trips. Teachers use them in classrooms. And puzzle lovers of all ages enjoy them as a way to relax and challenge their minds. Unlike some trendy niches that fade quickly, puzzles have been popular for decades and will continue to sell for years to come. The beauty of puzzle books is the variety. You've got Sudoku, word searches, mazes, crosswords, cryptograms, and even unique puzzle combinations that you can create to stand out. This means you're not limited to just one type. You can experiment and publish multiple styles, increasing your chances of success. Another big reason they sell is the gift market. Parents and grandparents love giving puzzle books as affordable yet meaningful presents. Plus, since these books get used up as people solve the puzzles, readers always come back for more. But here's the real kicker. You don't need to be a puzzle expert to make them. With the right software and templates, creating professional-looking interiors is easier than you think. In a moment, I'll show you exactly which tools you can use to get started. Now that you know why puzzle books sell so well, let's talk about the tools you can use to actually create them. The best part? You don't need expensive software or years of design experience. If you're just starting out, free tools can take you a long way. Canva is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms where you can design puzzle interiors, create covers, and even customize layouts with drag-and-drop features. For puzzle generation, sites like Puzzle Maker by Discovery Education let you create word searches, crosswords, and more with just a few clicks. If you want to step up your game, BookBolt is one of the most popular paid tools for KDP publishers. It not only generates puzzle interiors, but also gives you research tools to find niches, keywords, and design inspiration. Another advanced option is Adobe InDesign, which is great if you're comfortable with professional design software, but honestly, most beginners don't need to start there. Here's the workflow most successful publishers use. Generate your puzzle interiors using a puzzle tool. Format the pages to standard Amazon KDP sizes. Most puzzle books work well in 8.5 by 11 inches. Export your interior as a high-quality PDF. It's really that simple. Once you've created one interior, you can tweak it, change puzzle types, and produce multiple books quickly. This is where the real scalability of the business kicks in. But there's one thing you must get right: your cover. Even if your puzzles are perfect, your book won't sell if the cover doesn't stand out. In the next section, I'll show you exactly how to create covers that grab attention and boost sales. Here's the truth. When it comes to puzzle books on Amazon, your cover decides 90% of your sales. Readers don't see the puzzles inside until after they've bought it. What they see first is the cover, and if it doesn't catch their eye, they'll scroll right past. So what makes a great puzzle book cover? First, bold colors and contrast. Your book needs to stand out among dozens of similar titles on Amazon search results. Next, clear typography. The title should be readable even when the cover is small, like on a phone screen. And finally, genre fit. A Sudoku cover should look very different from a kid's maze book. Always design with your target audience in mind. The good news is you don't need to be a graphic designer. With tools like Canva or BookBolt's Cover Creator, you can design professional-looking covers using ready-made templates. Just remember, simple, bold, and targeted always beats cluttered and confusing. And before I continue, let me remind you, I have a strategy of advertisement for you to get more sales on your Amazon ACX account. If you want to get more sales on your account, reach out to me on WhatsApp using the link in the description. Alright, now that you've created your puzzle interiors and designed your cover, it's time for the exciting part, uploading your book to Amazon KDP. This is where your idea becomes a real product available for millions of people to buy. First, go to the KDP dashboard and click Create. You'll be asked to choose between Kindle ebook or paperback. Since puzzle books are activity-based, you'll always want to choose paperback. Next, you'll enter your book details. This includes your title, subtitle, author name, and description. Pro tip: use your subtitle and description to include important keywords people are searching for. For example, instead of just Sudoku puzzle book, you might say Sudoku puzzle book for adults. 200 easy to hard puzzles to train your brain. After that, you'll choose your categories. Make sure to pick ones that truly fit your puzzle type, games and activities greater than puzzles. You'll also set your keywords, which help Amazon show your book to the right audience. Then comes the upload step. You'll add your interior file, the PDF of your puzzles, and your cover file. KDP has a built-in previewer, so double-check everything looks right before publishing. Finally, it's time to set your price. Most puzzle books sell between $6.99 and $9.99, depending on the size and number of pages. If you're new, starting at a slightly lower price can help you get traction. And that's it. You hit publish, and within about 72 hours, your puzzle book will be live on Amazon. But here's the big question. Once your book is published, how do you actually get people to notice it? That's where marketing comes in, and I'll break that down in the next section. Publishing your puzzle book is just the beginning. The real challenge is getting people to notice it and actually click that buy button. That's where marketing comes in. The first thing to focus on is organic visibility. Your title, subtitle, and keywords are your best friends. Use tools like BookBolt or even Amazon's own search bar to find out what people are typing in. Then make sure those keywords are included in your listing. This way, your book naturally shows up when buyers are searching. Next, consider Amazon ads. Even a small daily budget can put your book in front of puzzle lovers who are ready to buy. Ads give your book that extra push, especially when you're just starting out. You can also leverage social media. Short TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or even Pinterest pins showing snippets of your puzzles can attract buyers who would never have found you otherwise. Over time, building a small community of puzzle fans can turn into repeat customers. And don't forget, I have a strategy of advertisement for you to get more sales on your Amazon ACX account. If you want to get more sales on your account, reach out to me on WhatsApp using the link in the description. So, there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to create and publish puzzle books on Amazon KDP. We started with why puzzle books sell so well, explored the tools you can use to design them, looked at cover design strategies, and walked step by step through uploading and marketing. Remember, the key is to just get started. Your first puzzle book won't be perfect, guys, but every book you publish is another opportunity to grow your skills and your income. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Amazon KDP strategies.